Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, 2 Degrees No Job. Alright, so boom. Let's transform this wooden box into a chest. Full disclosure, I did not make the box, so what we're going to be doing is creating a lid for the box and then adding some hinges and some wheels. And yes, I am that person. I go to the hardware store, I lay everything out on the floor. You know, you just have to make sure that you get the correct measurements because you can have your wood cut at the hardware store. Bet. So you're gonna need 6 pieces of wood. I've named them A, B, and C. And you'll need 2 of each. So 2 pieces of A, 2 pieces of B, 2 pieces of C. But of course, I had to go back and cut some wood because they didn't do it right. Anyways, next we're going to lay the pieces out. This is the frame of the cover. So you're going to nail this in and then you will insert the remaining pieces of wood and also nail this in. This is how my lid turned out. I am going for a distressed, not perfect look. Wheel installation. So this is the pack of wheels. You just take a wheel and put one on every corner. As you can see, there are 4 corners. You put one on each and then you just screw them in. This will connect the lid to the box to the lid. Whatever. These are hinges and we're gonna install them. Boop! They are very flexible, so you want to make sure that you place it on top of the wood with the little flaps. I positioned the hinges 10 inches apart from the corners and then 10 inches apart from one another. Let's start by drilling the bottom of the hinge onto the box. I went ahead and stained the lid off camera. However, I will link a video for those interested. Let's bring the lid we created and prop it on top of the box. And now we can nail the top hinges to connect the lid to the box to the lid. I know y'all know what I'm about to say. Yes, this is my favorite. Oh my God. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'ma see ya. Peace.